Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
One of the most annoying symptoms of the common cold is a runny nose. It means you need to have tissues always at hand, in case your nose starts streaming, which can be very inconvenient. The good news is that there are several effective and simple home remedies to deal with a runny nose. A hot drink may help a runny nose caused by a cold. A hot drink is a traditional, well-known remedy for a cold. In fact, there is some science to back up this home treatment. A 2009 study published in Rhinology found that drinking a hot beverage helped to reduce the symptoms of a cold. The study noted that the effect might be mainly psychological, but it also identified a physical reaction. The hot drink stimulated a nerve linked to the oral and nasal cavities, which may explain the relief of cold symptoms. Try inhaling steam to open up your nose and stop it running. There are different ways to perform a hot steam inhalation, but the basic idea is the same. A person adds herbs or essential oils to hot water, leans over the water, and breathes in the steam. A study found that symptoms improved faster and more effectively with inhalations containing various additives, and it helped to treat symptoms of the common cold. A neti pot is a more complicated method of relieving a runny nose, although studies have shown it may be effective. A neti pot is a device that looks like a small teapot. People use it to flush out the nose and sinuses. To use a neti pot, a person should lean over the sink, tilt their head sideways, and pour water from the pot into one nostril until the pot is empty. If done right, the water will be released from the opposite nostril. The person should then refill the pot and repeat the process on the other side. Nasal spray containing capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, could effectively treat non-allergic rhinitis. While capsaicin nasal spray is proven effective, people are not advised to make their own at home, using chili powder. Tested brands are available to purchase online. Spicy food can initially make a runny nose worse during the meal, but any sinus congestion may improve shortly after the meal is finished. A person can likely get some of the benefits of steam inhalation while soaking in a hot bath. Resting in a hot bath will naturally lead to inhaling some steam, while also helping to relax the muscles of the body. You may click on the link in the description below to get more information about some of the items mentioned in this video.